Hi, let's play car wash. Please pay here. Alright, let me see. What's my code? My code! Here it is. Beep, 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 beep. This is the correct code. You may enter the wash. Huh. I wonder what the wash looks like. Whoa. This is an awesome truck. Whoa, what's that? Is that the top brush? Oh, look, we're putting soap. Please pay here. The brushes are about to spin.
You ran away from home to wherever you were. Why not run away from wherever you were to home?
Oh, the top brush is going to come out.
You tell me that you run away. What I want to know...
Oh, we got to back up because the top brush is about to come down.
I know that you're running away from home. But where do you think you're running away?
Oh, finally. I guess the washes might be done. Beep, beep. Oh, wait. It's going to rinse this. Wait, it's going to rinse this off? Wait, it's actually going to rinse this off. Wait, drive through slowly? Huh, that doesn't make any sense. Goodbye, car wash. Oh, wow, here comes the brushes. Beep, beep. Wait, we're not backing up. Oh, wait, the top brush is going to come down. Whoa, the top brush. It fell down. Oh! Oh, I think it's gonna rinse us off now. Whew. Oh, finally. Uh-oh, it's gonna rain. Quick, we have to close down the car wash. Sorry, the car wash is closed now. Please come back later. Oh, come on. No, now we can't get our car washed now. Sorry, we can't help you. Oh, man, now we never gonna get our car wash. Car wash is down, now we can't get our car wash. Now I'm gonna have to wash my car at home. Me too. Me three. Car wash shutting down. Oh, after a rainy day later. Oh, yay. Car wash now open. Great. Now I can't even get my car wash because it's still... Hey, it stopped raining. I can actually go home. Yay. Wait, the car wash is open. Oh, no. We lost our car wash permission. Oh, my gosh.